Hi everyone, this is Connie, the owner of Buy Without Agents, still guiding you with the knowledge and tools to confidently buy a home on your own. If you've been thinking about skipping the traditional real estate route, but aren't sure if you're really ready, well, this video is for you. We're going to look at 3 green flags, what I like to call go flags, that signal you've got what it takes and you're ready to buy your own home on your own. And no, this isn't about being anti-agent. It's all about being pro-you. Because here's the truth. A lot of the home buying process isn't rocket science. It's paperwork, planning, preparation, and with the right support, you can absolutely do this all by yourself. If you're the type of person who values independence, loves to learn, and wants to keep more money in your own pocket, this path might be for you. Let's jump into 3 go flags and see if any of them sound like you. Go flag number 1. You want to save on commissions. This is a big one, and probably the reason you're even exploring this path. You've looked at that 5 to 6% commission and thought, wait, that's thousands of dollars just to unlock a door, forward a few documents, and maybe do some negotiating. It's not that agents don't work hard. It's just that you might not need one to do the things you're perfectly capable of doing yourself, especially with the right guidance. If you're willing to take charge, learn the process, and maybe even enjoy the hunt, you can keep more of that cash where it belongs, in your pocket. Go flag number 2. You like doing research. You just don't take anyone's word for it. You're the one who double checks, compares listing, reads every review, and probably already has a spreadsheet of dream neighborhoods. If your instinct is to dig in, ask questions, and understand the why behind what you're doing, then this is a great sign that buying solo is in your wheelhouse. Why? Because informed buyers make better decisions. They catch red flags early, they ask better questions, and they don't get steamrolled into deals that just don't feel right. So if that's how you operate, then that's your second green light. Go flag number 3. You're ready to learn, not just sign. Let's be real. Buying a home can feel like a whirlwind of just sign here. But if you ever thought, wait, what am I actually signing? Then you are in the right mindset to do this on your own. You want to understand what's actually in the contract, what contingencies mean and why they matter, what's going on with title, escrow, inspections, and the loan process. You don't need to be an expert, but if you're ready to learn and ask smart questions, that curiosity is a major green flag. And honestly, that mindset is going to serve you way beyond this transaction. If you're nodding your head right now and thinking, this is totally me, then I want to invite you to take the next step. Check out my course, Your Home, Your Way, How to Buy Without Agents. It's a full step-by-step guide designed for people just like you, independent thinkers who want to save money, understand the process, and buy with confidence. Also in my course are checklists and templates to keep you on track throughout the entire process. And for a limited time, you can save $200 on the course. Just head to buywithoutagents.com. The code and the link are right below in the description. Also, while you're there, I've got a couple of free resources on the site to help you get started right away. The open house tour checklist to help you spot red flags and hidden issues when viewing homes, and my homebuyer script to guide conversations with sellers, lenders, and listing agents so you don't feel like you're winging it. If this video helped you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so more people can find it if they're looking to buy a home on their own. And if you want more videos on buying smart without the fluff, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, you don't need to be a pro to buy like one. You just need the right tools and the right guidance, and you found them. See you in the next video.